SMMA owners, I'm going to be going over the exact referral system that I use to get new clients every single day. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
This requires no ad spend, and if you're an SMA owner right now, even if you have 2 clients, even if you have 1 client, this video is for you. So right now, we use this referral system to probably pull in a good 5 to 10 new clients a week that I personally will close through group chats on my phone. And how I do it is this. I will go to a client, I'll say, hey, listen, we've been with you for X amount of months, and it doesn't matter who the client really is or what niche they're in, just make sure they've been with you for about 2 to 3 months. You know, they've been in the ecosystem, they've gotten results, they're not pissed, they're satisfied. Like, obviously go to the leads and clients who are getting really good results, or who are at least satisfied with the service, who aren't complaining, right? You go to them and say, hey, listen, we'll use a prospect, we'll use an avatar, John, okay? Hey John, you've been with us for 3 months. You know, I've seen your results. It's been really awesome having you on board. I want to ask you for a quick favor. And the client responds, yeah, okay, well, what I want to do is I want to, you know, kind of get on a Zoom with you to kind of go over your results and see how we can better optimize this. And I also have a special opportunity for you. So then you get them on a Zoom. So you can not just get a referral, but you can also get a client testimonial at the same exact time. So you get on a Zoom with them and you're asking them questions, you're getting the video testimonial because you're recording the Zoom call, but then you go at the end and say, hey, listen, you know, I appreciate you hopping on today's call, but you know, do you have 5 friends right now who are business owners like yourself who would want results just like this? Yeah, okay, cool. I'll give you $250 off your next invoice if you can give me 5 friends with their name, email, phone number, and you can put me in their own group chats through your phone, like add me, make a group chat with that person, those 5 people. If I close 1 to 2 of them, I'll give you $250 off of your invoice right now. If that sounds good to you, then let's do it. And then the client will obviously say yes or no, or they have any questions or objections, whatever that case may be, and then you go from there, right? So that's what my referral system is. It's worked very well for me for the past 3 to 4 years. I've had really no issues with it, and I'm able to get an extra 5 to 10 clients a week just by doing that. And the reason why it works is because like it's different than you just being like, hey, you know, do you have these 5 people's phone numbers, right? And then you have to cold text them yourself, which is like just a lot tougher. But when the client puts you in a group chat and says, hey, here's my marketer, Jason, I told you about him, I've been talking about him a lot, you know, I wanted to connect you guys because I know you could benefit from his services as well. So yeah, that's really what I would then do. And then, you know, through the group chat, most of the time, it's not really they're booking a call or anything. It's a lot easier. You're just really just talking to them, answering a couple questions, because most of the time they're like 60, 70% ready to buy because they've been framed. You know, because then you can say to your client, listen, like if you introduce us, just let them know the price beforehand so that they're not wasting, you know, my time. But I really want them to really narrow in on like, hey, you know, I need 5 friends who are business owners who are in the same spot as you, who you know can afford it and would benefit from it. Because then you're kind of framing is like, okay, like, you know, this guy's making $50K a month. You're not going to refer us somebody who's making $5,000 a month in their business. It's just not like, it's just not beneficial. So yeah, I hope that video kind of helps, but like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about referral systems that you might have thought about using or you've tried using already and maybe they weren't as effective as this one, I know for sure this one works because I use it in my own agency, so I would love to see the results that you guys get from this. But that's how you can literally, if you have 5 clients right now, if you get 5 people from each, that's 25 new possible warm leads that you can get, and that's 25 possible clients. So it's about taking your current clients and 5xing them by just this easy and effective referral system. So thanks again for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple 7-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30